halfway through me taking my lash off, I realized that I didn't make my intro. So hey y'all, it's me Amani, and today I am going to show y'all me quickly installing this cute green wig. So let's get right into the video. If you want an in-detailed video on how to install your wig, then I have one on how to reinstall a wig for beginners with a tutorial. It's gonna be up there. Click it if you want to, or it's gonna be at the end of the video. Alright, so as y'all can see, now I just outlined exactly where the wig goes. Alright, so anywhere where it's kind of like really close, I'm gonna cut that off some. So now we're going in with our boho active 5 layers. Y'all already know how the game go. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 layers. Excuse the loud noise. I have a air filter that I like to keep going just because it's summertime, pollen, and all that stuff. Can y'all do me a big favor and please tell me what videos y'all want from me? I know that my channel has kind of became a hair page, but that's not what it was initially at all. Like, I barely used to make hair videos. It's like we're in a house so much nowadays, or at least hopefully I'm hoping that we're in a house, coronavirus. So if y'all have anything y'all want me to do, any type of videos, even if it's like a stay-at-home vlog or anything, or any story times. Oh, I forgot to put foundation on. It's fine. I don't always do that anyway. I always keep an extra on me. And now that I'm opening this one up, I'm gonna order 2 more, because you always gotta stay strapped with the boho active big dot period. I really hope I'm not ugly up close, because like we real close, you feel me? Like, all right, so I got 5 layers of glue on. They're all dry, clear, and ready to be adhered to my wig. So the fact that I went for money green and I got bell pepper green is like disappointing me right now. I'm prepping it to wrap it, so I'm about to do my edges and then tie it down so that it'll all like melt together and be ready to go. This is a natural edge control that I made. It has such a good hold. I'm aware how ghetto this is, you guys, and I apologize from the bottom of my heart, but I have no background music. I tried to find royalty-free music, but people upload it on YouTube as theirs so that they can attempt to steal the money and the monetization from other people's videos. So therefore, like, I don't have background music. I am working with a guy about some for me, but it's none yet, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah, put it on, let it wait a second or two. It's literally always like this. One edge will just be so compliant and the other one be like, nope. Girl, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is that? I literally put all of those layers of glue, and it's always still gonna be that one piece. Fuses to help a sister out and just lay down. It's nap time, lay down. Well, if you have a hair dryer, this will be the best time to sit under it. So in every part I'm just gonna talk, so it's not just awkward silence. So what's up, y'all? What y'all been doing? Like, you know, how's everything going? You know, how's Corona treating y'all? Hopefully, you know, you're staying inside, staying safe, wearing a mask. You know, apparently I'm the CDC. If you were one of those people who drive down the street with a car doing all that, that's not cute. I'm gonna be the first person to tell you that's not cute. And no girl has ever heard all that and been impressed with all that unless she work on cars or something. Let's grow up, fellas. Even though this wig started off as like 2 different colors, it came out really like even. I like that. I love how even this green is. Alrighty, so stay tuned for the final reveal. I took my concealer palette and I took the end of a tooth flosser because it's really narrow, and I just dipped it in some concealer and I worked it into my part. Y'all finished, y'all done. Oh shit, bitch, you almost took my lashes off with it. I think it's the last little bit of empty space, so I guess I'll just hype myself up. Okay, period, girl. Giving Penny Proud though with the one piece that's sticking up. But period. She's giving material, girl. She's giving, you know, green about all her green, about her greens, and I mean green as in money. I mean green as in saving the earth, and I mean green as in dollar bills. You know, I'm a full package. So yes, ignore the line for me wrapping my hair. I'm still a baddie though. Period. Don't sleep on me. So this hair is from Klaiyi. Y'all don't know how to say it, still don't know how to pronounce it. I just want one person to send me a voice memo saying how to say it, like, honestly. I bought this wig as a 613 with transparent lace, but I used some caramel lace tint from Bold Hole and Tailored Crowns, and I love it. And I love this wig. I love the hair. 12 inches. I did cut it though to have it more of a blunt cut bob. So like always, y'all already know I took a couple cute pictures and videos and the hair looking good. Follow me on all social medias at Amani Vision. Period. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching, and like I said, if you have any video suggestions for me, comment those down below because I would love to hear them. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot to cover the camera.